am a smart fly. If you're Marcus, I guess I am the smart guy. No, let's put a swag for sale, large line. Marcus, let's put a swag for sale. That make a smart buy. If you large line, that's enlarging. I'm in the game in zone, enlarging. Like you shady, like you hate me. I'm Sean Marion, about to pop Tom Brady. I'm in the game, baby. I got chicken up. I ain't even say nothing hard. I got him chicken up. Yeah, homie, you better get your booking up. I got it swag in my pocket. I got it cooking up. Yeah, homie, watch it, look it up. They call me Young Anointed. Go ahead and look it up. Like what it is, homie. Like get your looks up. I'm smart, high class. Like get your books up. Get hooked up. Like a drug, you get hooked up.
Hold on, that's enough. I can't take no more. Yeah. Yeah, it's Marcus, baby. Guess I'm wet back in the building. My rhyme's so sick, I'm about to be making millions. You already know I'm the boy on the thing. And watch it come by, I might just sing, but I'm not. Since you're trying to cap on me, I'ma bring it right back wearing your skinny jeans. But no, I don't rock them, cause it don't fit. I'm breaking boys down, watch I stick up and hit. Now watch I do my thing and do it so raw. Riding in the streets 24, getting right. Hold on, I done messed up, but I'm right. I'm breaking boys down, we ain't about to get no fights.
I am so poetic, got a bladed story. I'm forever 21, you're just bladed glory. I mean, come on dude, you gotta holler at me. This dude poor, he gotta dollar at me. Now if you want this on me, get your pickle up. Me and my pops got money for days, get your nickels up. Now if you want it homeboy like mine, I'm so sticky mad cause I always drop dimes. Yeah, I said that I drop dimes. This kid need money, he looking for mine. Homeboy, I was talking about basketball. Every day I ball, but I will never ever fall. Like what it is, thinking like Minnie. I got a tight swag, just like the skinnies. Please don't hate upon my swag. I am the flame pitcher, just like my dad. Oh, he's the flamethrower. No, he's the flamethrower. And you too cold. I got a flame shoulder. I'm about to wreck the microphone like the lame goer. There ain't a thing on me. I got the brain on me. How you gonna do the dance? You got a stain, homie. I'm about to lame, homie. I got a brain, homie.
Just so you know, I just sang for court. And I ain't even playing, but football is my sport. I don't play basketball, cause now that ain't me. I ain't gotta stand here and try to shoot it in the goal, B. Hey, but I'ma do it like this. Like you said once before, you so crazy like this. Hey, but I'ma put it just like that. I'ma bring your boy down and you gon' be riding in the backseat of my leg. You know, looking out the window. Last week you say, where did your tent go? Hey, but it was still there, baby. I'ma break it off and I am not Slim Shady. Hold on, don't try to interrupt me. I'ma break your boy down and yes, I go hard on the streets. I'ma do my little thing and yes, I do it little. Cause I don't have to go so big cause you was little.
Hold on, but I ain't Weezy. So much cheese, they nicknamed it cheesy. Yeah, Ripley's, boy, you better believe me. And I got swag, even Ripley's believe me. Like, dude, homie, check the Lego book. I can go on for days, you can check the record book. What it really is, what it really was. I am so dominoes, you can tell by my buzz. Yeah, what it does, like a bumblebee. And I stay ready to sing like a bumblebee. You wanna rumble me? Well, let's rumble me. Cause in the end zone, I have you bumblebee. What a bumblebee, like what a bumblebee. I got stacks of money, well you're bumblebee. I mean, come on, B, like bumblebee. I got a season swag, like what a bumblebee. You really want me? I'm in my zone, I'm a piece on this thing, tall, even my microphone. I need a styrofoam in my love, and I'm so off the dome with no perk in my cup. You better get the nigga, humming like a nigga. This dude is a choke like he got the hiccup. I mean, you better homie than pick up. I told you you fumbled the ball, homie. Pick up. Yeah, this is not no stick-up, but I will make him wave his hands like it's a stick-up. Yes, sir. I like it. There.
See, this is the reason why I'm a freestyle battle. I know some.